Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to give a quick update on Golden Nugget Online Gaming, GNOG. Just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice, not recommending you buy this stock. You should always do your own research and you're in charge of your own money. So I just want to give you a quick update on the day it had yesterday. It was up 11%, guys, had a big pop, and that was probably primarily due to it finally getting some type of coverage online. So let me show you the articles that came out on GNOG yesterday. So one says to embrace the volatility in Golden Nugget Online Gaming. If you've been in this stock since the 11s or 13s, then you know it's had its ups and downs, and I'm sure it'll continue to do the same. But it talked about basically how how there's a lot of upside to the stock. Yesterday, Seeking Alpha released this article saying that there was an analyst that gave it a buy signal, and then this article over here basically talks about how it's got some recognition finally from an analyst giving it a buy signal. So this talks just a little bit about how Benchmark initiates coverage on Golden Nugget Online Gaming, GNOG, with a buy rating, and they gave it a price target of 27, okay, which is, in my opinion, a little low, considering there was another article that came out saying that the price target should probably be about $33. So still, it's higher than what it's trading at now. So that is a good thing for us if you do hold the stock. I currently do hold it. So if it gets to 27 and kind of stalls out, maybe take some profits, or if it busts through 27, then maybe set a stop loss and see if it can get to that 30 mark. But let's go ahead and look at the charts and see what it did yesterday and kind of what we should take a look at and pay attention to moving forward. Okay, I'm on the 180-day 4-hour chart if you want to kind of keep along on your Thinkorswim platform. So this is yesterday or last couple of days, but we had a pretty big run up. We finally did cross over that SMA line, which is a very, very good sign. Our candlesticks are closing above our EMA line, which shows a healthy sign of price strength. So as long as we can stay above this SMA line here, I feel pretty confident that we'll continue to move forward. So notice down here on the RSI, we are getting into overbought status, very, very close, and our MACD is starting to kind of cool off a little bit. So you can expect some point today or tomorrow probably a pullback in this stock if you're looking for an entry. I don't know how big of a pullback it's going to be, but just reading the charts, it tells me that eventually it's going to have a small pullback. Hopefully nothing too big. Hopefully we can have a slight sell off and then push forward and get through that key resistance level. Key resistance level here is going to be 2374 and support of 2104. So like I was saying earlier, this stock is pretty volatile. So if it does drop and it gets into the 21s, don't freak out and panic sell if you're down. Just kind of hang in there and embrace the volatility like the article says. But just a heads up, if it does break through that 2374 level and it continues to if it holds support at the 2374 level, then we have a lot more upside closer to the $27-28 range. But we're looking good so far, guys. So if you're not in this stock, maybe kind of pay attention to it and see if you can get an entry in. And if you are in this stock, I just wanted to give you some insight on what it looks like moving forward. So that's about all I have for today. If you enjoy our content, make sure and subscribe, like this video if you learned something new today. And if you want to have any other information on the channel, please leave a comment below. Other than that, we'll catch you next time.